All right, let's get into the nuts and bolts about setting up your YouTube channel. Now, just like with any platform, you'll always want to be able to set everything up with using the settings. We'll just go over here to the left-hand side, and again, I'm inside of the studio, or you could get to the settings on the outside. It doesn't matter as far as setting this your YouTube channel up, but you'll click the settings button. And when it pops open, there's a couple of things you want to set up in particular. Number one, the channel. You'll want to set this channel up. Again, remember, we talked about keywords. The keywords are the things that your channel is going to go over, the things that you're going to talk about, the things that's incorporated into your channel. As you can see, we'll just go over a couple things: marketing, advertising, sales funnels, motivation for success, money, motivation, TV, entertainment, blah, blah, blah. These are the things that will make up the duration of my channel. And of course, out of 500 characters, you see I use 498, because I'm not doing this for people to see, because people don't see this. The algorithm does. Now, let me get back to this. Now, you may not see activity to a video or a post or anything that you're putting out at first, but the algorithm sees it. You're posting for the algorithm. You're not posting for people. It's nice if people chime in the beginning and give you a boost, but you're posting for the algorithm. So you're not waiting on a response. You're waiting till you set the system to understand that you're going to be doing this on a regular basis. Now, with YouTube, a good thing is once a week, minimum. Once a week. This algorithm will take off in ways you didn't know. You're a woman, so things may take off in different ways for you. Okay, so now we're going to also click over here on advanced settings. We'll just want to make sure that any videos or anything that's going out, you want to review this setting for every video. You don't want to just put a video out without making sure that the no or the yes is clicked, because it may come a time where you just want only kids, no comments or anything going on with the video. Now, in feature eligibility, there's a number of things that happens here. You're able to do multiple videos at once as far as uploading them. There's a number of other features that are here, and you just click on it. It's enablement. I have all of the features because there's a couple of ways to qualify for this. Number one, you upload, let's see, the directions are in here as far as the standard, channel is free, active, community guidelines. You don't want to break any rules or anything like that, but each tier opens up more features. And the best way to open everything up is, to just verify your phone number and valid ID. Phew, that's what I did. I did the ID, and I did the phone verification, and boom. Now what this does is it verifies that you're a real person, which also gets you more views. Now, let me go into this next thing. Of course, it'll take you a minute. We'll get all of that squared up. But the next thing you're going to go to is the upload. Of course, I don't have any of that because each video, I upload my own information as far as the title and the description. I always do that. I don't preset videos to come out and say the same things. Oh, and all of my videos and my page, I want to make sure it's 100% public. I don't want anything private. Of course, we're doing this to make money. So you don't want a private channel. When a person lands on your page, they should see everything. They shouldn't have to become your friend and go through all of these hoops just to see what's going on with you. You want to make sure you're as accessible as possible. Next, we'll click on permissions. You'll want to make sure that all your permissions are set. You can invite people to help manage your channel. Like, for instance, you could invite me. Some things you don't understand, invite me in. Boom, I come in and I help you take care of stuff. That way you don't have to worry about sharing your password, stuff like that. Next, the community. Now, if you wanted to filter your videos, you could use this. I don't use it at all. Again, I'm hands on. I do a lot of stuff myself, and this is really for advanced users. So I don't use it. I don't think you would it either. Now, the creator demographics, basically, it's just a survey that they're going to ask you about information about you and blah 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 blah. All right, then last then it's agreements, and that's it. Then you're done. You've done the general setting of the page. You've done that setting. So next, we want to go back to this point, to right here where it says to manage the page. Now, what we want to, rather where it says manage videos, the next thing we want to do is to come over. We need to customize the channel. Now that we've set everything up, we need to customize the channel. Now that it takes us in here into the customization area, it's going to allow us to be able to do a number of different things. You're going to be, I don't know if you saw how I had a video plan when you first come in. You can set all of that up, set up some featured videos here or there. Of course, you don't have that many videos up yet, so this part is really not that important. So I'll go on to the branding. The branding is basically where you're going to go and put in either your facial pictures. Me, I'm promoting my marketing company. So I got my logo in where the facial picture go. You can put your face there or a logo. And then secondly, I have my banner. Remember, just like on LinkedIn, you got to have that banner there. And of course, that's where my face is on the banner. Then last down here is this watermark. The watermark it'll be your banner down in the bottom right hand corner. And basically you just, you click any of these buttons to add. In your case, because you don't have anything there, it may say add, but if not, you'll just click the change button. Once you click it, it'll open it up and you'll choose anything from out of your many pictures from off of your computer. If you choose your logo, of course, you could just choose your logo from out of your computer. Same thing, everything all the way down. Then once you've done that, you'll want to publish it. Anything that you save here, you'll want to go over to the right and publish it. Now, let's go over to basic info. Basic info will be the name that you have for the name that you're going to have for your channel. Of course, in your case, it'll probably be your first name, and maybe you'll say something about travel or whatever. Your handle will be whatever the name of your channel is going to be. Of course, that's something you don't want to jump right into. Wait to do that because you may have a different name that you want until you figure out what name you got. Just hold off on doing that part. Second, it's going to be the description that you have for the channel. This you're only able to put so many characters, and of course, uh, wait a minute, I probably need to redo mine. I only got 224 characters here. It allows for 1,000 characters. And of course, you'll just want to, have Chat GPT or whoever help you to create the description for the channel. That way, for the people that really like to investigate what the channel is about, you give them enough information to read about, and they'll become fans as opposed to just a looker. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for fans. We're not just looking for people to look at stuff. We want them to continuously come back over and over and over. All right. So again, what we did here is we want to make sure we got a description. Your description. We want to make sure we got all your keywords for your channel set up. In this particular case, we want to make sure all your brand is set up. Your logo or your face, your banner that has information about you or your channels and stuff like that. And then, of course, the layout. We want to have all of that information, right? Now, we want to go back to view the channel. And then from here, we got the last part I'll talk about. Oh, no, I forgot they changed. So they don't make that available like that no more. Let me see. But you see how I got this video playing here. Of course, that's one of my videos to play. It leads to, of course, my product that I got for sale. I get a lot of free publicity. Now, two things happens. Of course, this video explains about the product that I have here for sale. Of course, at $497, things look different when you sell something for $497 and it's yours. Of course, I think I've showed you this before. Of course, you know that's me. I'm the letter from the founder. But basically, this is a page that you would create. You know, you said I did all of this on Groove. It probably took me about a week because I was messing around with this and doing a number of other different things. But um, but basically, what happened, like I'm trying to tell you, this video, when they're watching this video, two things are happening. Number one is it's a 24-hour salesperson for me that's selling the course that I have here. Then, of course, two, I'm getting paid for YouTube because I have the video stored on YouTube. So three things are happening here. Got the video that's going to be an automatic 24-hour salesperson for me here or on the site itself. Also, it's being secured by YouTube. Nobody's stealing videos out of YouTube. All of the copyrights, everything is already on to me as soon as I upload it to YouTube and I put my 1-2 on it. You know what I'm saying? So this is the reason why you want to put this here. So, but anyway, I hope all of this information helps you out some. If anything confuses you, just get in touch with me and I'll let you know what to do. Hope you have a good one. See you in the next video.